Hey everyone, welcome back. Looking for the best food processor to make meal prep faster and easier? In today's video, I'm reviewing the top 6 best food processors that deliver powerful performance, versatile features, and excellent value. Whether you're a home cook, fitness enthusiast, or kitchen tech lover, there's a perfect option waiting for you. Let's dive right in and find your ideal food processor. But before we get started, make sure to check the links in the description below if you want to know the latest prices and more information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest top product reviews. Kitchen Product Insights. Product number 1. Ninja Food Processor Professional Plus. Taking the number 1 spot is the Ninja Food Processor Professional Plus, one of the most popular food processors for modern kitchens. Powered by an impressive 1,000-watt motor, it effortlessly chops vegetables, slices fruits, shreds cheese, purees sauces, and mixes dough with consistent performance. The Auto IQ preset programs remove the guesswork by automatically adjusting speed and timing for perfect results every time. Its large 9-cup bowl makes it ideal for meal prepping, family dinners, and entertaining guests. I especially like how easy the controls are, making it beginner-friendly while still offering enough power for experienced home cooks. The stainless steel precision blades provide clean, even cuts, and every removable part is dishwasher-safe for quick cleanup. If you're searching for the best food processor that balances performance, reliability, and affordability, the Ninja Professional Plus is a fantastic all-around choice that handles almost every kitchen task with ease. Product number 2. Breville BFP610 Sous Chef 9-cup food processor. Coming in at number 2 is the Breville BFP610 Sous Chef 9-cup food processor, a premium option built for cooks who appreciate precision and versatility. Its powerful induction motor delivers smooth, consistent processing while remaining impressively quiet. The adjustable slicing disc lets you customize thickness for vegetables, fruits, and cheeses, while multiple attachments expand its capabilities for chopping, shredding, kneading dough, and pureeing ingredients. I really appreciate Breville's thoughtful design, including the extra-wide feed chute that reduces prep time by accommodating larger ingredients. The sturdy construction gives it a premium feel and ensures long-lasting durability. Safety features, intuitive controls, and dishwasher-safe accessories make everyday use simple and convenient. Whether you're preparing healthy meals, baking homemade bread, or creating restaurant-quality recipes, this machine consistently delivers professional-level results. If quality and precision are your priorities, the Breville Sous Chef is easily one of the best food processors available today. Product number 3. Hamilton Beach Professional Food Processor. At number 3 is the Hamilton Beach Professional Food Processor, a feature-packed appliance designed to simplify everyday cooking. Equipped with a powerful motor and multiple processing functions, it quickly handles chopping, slicing, shredding, mixing, and pureeing. One standout feature is its built-in bowl scraper, allowing you to scrape ingredients down the sides without stopping the machine, which saves valuable preparation time. The generous work bowl makes it perfect for preparing meals for families or weekly meal prep. I found the controls straightforward and beginner-friendly, while still offering excellent versatility. The stainless steel blades produce consistent results, whether you're making salsa, hummus, pie dough, or shredded vegetables. Cleanup is equally easy, thanks to the dishwasher-safe removable components. Combining excellent performance, practical features, and dependable reliability, the Hamilton Beach Professional offers outstanding value for anyone looking for a high-quality food processor without spending premium prices. Product number 4. GE 12-cup food processor. The GE 12-cup food processor earns the 4th spot with its combination of generous capacity and dependable performance. Designed for busy kitchens, its spacious 12-cup bowl allows you to prepare large batches of ingredients in one go, making it ideal for families and meal preppers. The powerful motor efficiently chops vegetables, slices potatoes, grates cheese, mixes dough, and creates smooth sauces. I like its clean control layout, which makes operation easy, even for beginners. The large feed chute minimizes prep work by fitting bigger fruits and vegetables without excessive cutting. Durable stainless steel blades ensure consistent results across a variety of recipes. The detachable parts are dishwasher safe, helping reduce cleanup time after cooking. If you're looking for a reliable, family-sized food processor that combines strong performance with excellent convenience, the GE 12-cup model offers outstanding everyday value at a competitive price. Product number 5, NutriBullet Triple Prep System. Number 5 goes to the NutriBullet Triple Prep System, an incredibly versatile kitchen appliance that combines a blender, personal blender, and food processor into one convenient system. This all-in-one design is especially attractive for people with limited counter space who still want maximum functionality. I love how easily it switches between preparing smoothies, chopping vegetables, making nut butter, blending soups, and processing ingredients for complete meals. The powerful motor handles tough ingredients while maintaining smooth, consistent performance. Multiple containers and accessories increase flexibility for different recipes, whether you're preparing post-workout smoothies or family dinners. The controls are intuitive, and most removable parts are dishwasher safe for easy maintenance. Fitness enthusiasts, busy professionals, and home cooks will appreciate the convenience of owning one appliance that performs several essential kitchen tasks exceptionally well. It's an excellent option if versatility is your top priority. Product number 6, HomeTone 16-Cup Food Processor Large. Rounding out today's list is the HomeTone 16-Cup Food Processor Large, an excellent choice for anyone needing extra capacity and heavy-duty performance. Featuring a massive 16-cup processing bowl, it's perfect for preparing meals for large families, parties, or weekly batch cooking. The powerful motor effortlessly chops meat, vegetables, herbs, nuts, and fruits while maintaining consistent results. I especially appreciate its generous capacity, which significantly reduces preparation time when cooking large quantities. The durable stainless steel blades provide efficient chopping and blending, while multiple speed settings offer better control for different ingredients. Safety locks and non-slip feet improve stability during operation, giving extra confidence while processing tougher foods. Despite its large size, the controls remain simple and easy to understand. If your kitchen regularly handles large recipes, the HomeTone delivers impressive capacity and dependable performance at a budget-friendly price. Thanks for watching my review of the top 6 best food processors. Which model is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews. Check the links in the description for today's best deals.